Hey guys, today I'm going to be telling you guys the top 20 tips and tricks for the Xiaomi Mi 10i smartphone, and we are beginning right away. So the first important tips and tricks for the Xiaomi Mi 10i is to reduce the animations that is present on the overall interface. So the Xiaomi Mi 10i runs on the MIUI 12, and in order to reduce the animations, go to the About Phone section inside your settings. There will be something called as MIUI version. When you just tap on MIUI version for 7 times, you will enable something called as the developer options. When you enable the developer options, just scroll down and go to something called as additional settings, and in the additional settings we will have the developer options. Just go to developer options, and in the developer options just scroll down until you find window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. So these are the three options that is present, that is window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. Just set these options to 0.5x and the animations will be reduced by 50% and the overall interface feels 50% more smoother. The second important tips and tricks for your Xiaomi Mi 10i smartphone is to enable the Google Discover feed on the left swipe of your home screen on the device. Just pinch in from the home screen like this, and when you pinch in from the home screen you will be presented with three important options, that is the settings. So just go to the settings and just go to more, and when you go to more there will be something called as -1 screen. As you can see, there is this -1 screen. By default this -1 screen will be set to the app vault, but I do not like the app vault. I like the Google Discover feed, or in order to make sure that the resource will be even more less utilized, you can even turn this option to off. Generally I keep it to Google Discover feed because I like to have Google Discover feed on the left side of my home screen on my device. So this is how you can enable the Google Discover feed on the left side of your home screen on the Mi 10i. So the third important tips and tricks for the Xiaomi Mi 10i is to calibrate your device display based on your requirement. In order to do that, just go to the settings, and there is something called as display over here. As you can see, there is display option that is present. In this display options, the first important thing that will be presented to you is the dark mode and the light mode. As you can see, this is the light mode. I actually do not like the light mode. I like dark mode everywhere, so that's why I keep dark mode. As you can see, the dark mode looks fantastic. Even though this is not an AMOLED display, the dark mode on this device has been done fantastic. There are few issues with respect to dark mode which you can set on your more dark mode options over here. Sometimes the text on some of the third-party applications will not be beautifully presented. For those applications you can manually turn off the dark mode over here. And another important display setting that is present is just go to something called as color scheme, and when you go to color scheme, just keep your color scheme to automatic and just keep the color temperature to cool. If you keep it to saturated, it will look even more boosted or it will look even more vibrant. I do not like that. I keep it to automatic, which is recommended or which is the best possible option that is present. So guys, the next important tips and tricks for your Xiaomi Mi 10i device is about the font size and the icon size. So in order to do that, what you have to do is just go to the settings and just go to display, and when you go to display, just come down over here, and there are two important options that will be presented, that is system font and text size. In order to reduce or increase the text size, go to the text size and set the text size to your requirement, guys. I actually like small text sizes, that's why I have kept it to extra small or XS. Next important option is to change the system font on the Xiaomi Mi 10i device. Just go to system font, and in the system font there are hundreds of free fonts that is available for you to download. Currently I am using the default Roboto font that comes out of the box with the default theme. I'm not using any other third-party font. Another very important thing I just forgot while recording the video is how you can reduce the icon size on your Xiaomi Mi 10i device. This is a very important feature, guys. In order to reduce the icon size, what you have to do is just pinch in from the home screen like this, and when you pinch in, there is the option called as settings, and just go to the settings and just go to more option over here. In the more option you can find something called as icon size. As you can see, the icon size is present over here. Just go to icon size over there. Here generally the icon size will be set to small by default when you are actually booting the smartphone for the first time, but in order to reduce the icon size, just slide over to the end and keep it to extra small. It will actually make it look really cool. As you can see, the icon size has been reduced to extra small and the overall interface looks very cool in my opinion. Fifth important tips and tricks for the Xiaomi Mi 10i device is to use the new type of control center. Xiaomi with MIUI 12 introduced a new type of control center which looks like iOS. In order to enable that, what you have to do is just go to the settings over here and just go to notifications. Here just go to notification shade, go to control center and status bar, and here in the control center and status bar there is an option called as use new control center. So when you click on use new control center, what happens is when you right swipe, this control center comes, and when you left swipe, this notification panel comes. The seventh important thing for your Xiaomi Mi 10i device is with respect to the privacy features. So this device comes with a lot of privacy enabled features such as the privacy protection that is present inside the settings. In order to check that, just go to the settings over here, and when you scroll down, there is something called as privacy protection. Just click on this and it will actually show which are the different applications which are using the different permissions that is present on your device. So just go to microphone permission. For example, if I don't want any application to not use a microphone permission, just disable that application to use the microphone permission. So if I don't want this device to use a microphone permission, just click on deny, and that permission will be disabled for that particular application. And by that, you can actually make sure that your privacy is maintained up to some extent on your digital world. So guys, the eighth important thing that you can do on your Xiaomi Mi 10i device is to have a quick ball feature that is present. So in order to enable the quick ball, just go to the settings and just go to additional settings, and in the additional settings we have something called as quick ball. Turn on the quick ball will get enabled. So quick ball helps you to quickly navigate between your home screen interface and throughout your smartphone. You just want to go home, just click on this. Want to go to recents, I can just go to this. If I just want to lock the screen, I can just click on this, with the help of which I can just make sure that the actions are performed a little bit more faster with the help of this quick ball. So guys, the ninth important thing that you need to do with your Xiaomi Mi 10i device is how to remove all the bloatwares on your smartphone. So as you guys can see, I am using a very clean and a very minimalistic look for my device. I have been able to achieve this by removing all the bloatwares that is present or that came pre-installed on my device. Get apps, default Mi Music, App Vault that was present, Mi Pay, Mi Credit, and multiple different applications which came pre-installed have been removed successfully, and we have done a separate video on how to remove bloatware on your Xiaomi device. I'll be giving the link for that video in the description and also in the card section. Please go ahead and check out that video. You will understand how you can remove all the bloatware applications on your Mi 10i device. So guys, the 10th important tips and tricks for your Xiaomi Mi 10i device is with respect to the app drawer. Just pinch in from the home screen and just go to the settings over here. When you go to the settings, just go to more options, and in the more options there is something called as home screen. Just go to home screen over here, and in the home screen you will be presented with two important options. One is the regular home screen, one is the with app drawer. So when you click on with app drawer, actually what happens is you will enable the Poco Launcher based app drawer. So this is actually based on Poco Launcher itself. So as you can see, there are multiple different types of app categories that is present. You can actually customize the app categories. You can add multiple number of applications to a particular app category. As you can see, you can just disable the app suggestions. You can just set the scroll bar to A to Z. You can manage the app categories. You can remove an app category, add a new app category, and multiple things you can customize as per your requirement. So guys, the 11th important thing that you can do with your Xiaomi Mi 10i device is to make sure that your device UI feels even more smoother by enabling the high refresh rate option. Just go to the settings. This device comes with a 120 Hz refresh rate, which is an adaptive intelligent refresh rate, which actually adjusts the refresh rate of the screen based on the content that is present. By default, out of the box, this device will come with a 60 Hz refresh rate. But in order to enable 120 Hz, just go to the settings and just go to something called as display, and you will find the refresh rate. And as you can see, you can set between the 60 Hz and 120 Hz. If you set to 60 Hz, what happens is you will lose on that ultra smoothness, but overall system interface feels even more stable. At 120 Hz, I've seen a lot of choppiness, or I've seen a lot of lags overall in the system interface, but Xiaomi can fix that with the software updates. I'm currently using with the 120 Hz refresh rate. Battery life is just fine as per my initial impressions. The 12th important thing that you can do with your Xiaomi Mi 10i device is with respect to setting the haptic feedback levels. Just go to the settings, just go to sound and vibration, just scroll down, and there is something called as haptic feedback that is present on the Xiaomi Mi 10i. So this is a specific feature with respect to this particular device, and when you just enable haptic feedback, what happens is when you perform certain actions such as going back or deleting an application or deleting a message or typing a message, quoting a message, the device will vibrate. With that vibration, you will feel that particular action was performed. So in order to enhance the user experience, they have given this vibration that is called as haptic feedback. So you can just set the haptic feedback levels. When I set to haptic feedback highest, what happens is the vibration becomes more intense. So I just keep it to the lowest most level so that the vibration is more subtle and I get to know that something has performed on my device. So guys, the next important thing that you need to do on your Xiaomi Mi 10i device is to record the calls using the default dialer application. So the Xiaomi Mi 10i comes with the Google Dialer application. In the Google Dialer application, by default, there is the call recording option that is present. As you can see, I've actually dialed up a number over here, and once the number gets connected, what happens is this recording option gets enabled. When this recording option gets enabled, what happens is you can easily record your calls, and before recording, Google will actually give a verbal prompt saying that this call is being recorded. That is actually a privacy feature that is present in the Google Dialer application. So guys, the next important thing that you can do with your Xiaomi Mi 10i device is to record your screen natively. So in order to do a screen recording, what you have to do is just swipe down and you will find the screen recording option in your quick settings toggle. So as you can see, there is the screen recording option that is present in my quick settings toggle. Just go to the gear icon icon that is present in the screen recorder option. In the screen recorder settings, you can actually record the screen at the highest possible quality. So you can record this screen of your device at full HD plus, that is 2400 x 1080 resolution, 100 Mbps bitrate as well. You can find the sound source. You can set the fixed frame rate, touch gestures, that is a small ball will come when you are using your touch gestures while recording your screen. These are the different options that is present to make a native screen recording possible on the Xiaomi Mi 10i device. So guys, the 15th tips and tricks for your Xiaomi Mi 10i device is with respect to the lock screen interface. So just go to the settings over here and just go to lock screen over there. In the lock screen interface, there are multiple number of options that is present. So for example, you can set double tap to wake up or turn off the lock screen. So for example, if I double tap over here, double tap like this, the lock screen will get turn off or turned on with the help of this option. Wake lock screen for notifications. For example, some notifications will come on your device. The device will actually show this particular screen and you can just quickly glance that notification has arrived. Glance for Me. So Glance for Me is a service where you can actually show multiple different types of wallpapers on a daily basis on your lock screen. There is another important thing for lock screen, that is with respect to the lock screen clock format. When you go to the lock screen clock format, you can customize between multiple different options that is present for lock screen. So if you like this lock screen clock format, just set it, and when you just go to the lock screen, as you can see, this lock screen clock format has been activated successfully. So guys, the 16th tips and tricks for your Xiaomi Mi 10i device is to customize the reading mode that is present. Reading mode will help you to actually enable an yellow color tint on your display, which actually makes sure that your eyes will not be harmed when you are watching your screen in low lighting conditions. If you are texting, or if you're using social media, or if you're reading some books or some articles in the night lighting conditions or in the dark lighting conditions, make sure you turn on this reading mode. So you can also customize this reading mode inside the settings. Just go to the settings over here, just go to display over there. In the display, there is something called as reading mode. Just go to reading mode, and as you can see, the reading mode can be switched between classic reading mode, paper like reading mode, and you can also even schedule the reading mode between the time options. If you want to enable reading mode at around 10 p.m. in the night and disable at 7 a.m. in the morning, you can do that as well in the scheduling option. So this is a fantastic feature in my opinion. So guys, the 17th important thing that you can do with your Xiaomi Mi 10i device is to set multiple different types of face unlocking options. In order to set multiple face unlock, what you have to do is just go to the settings, passwords and security. In the passwords and security, there is something called as face unlock. So as you can see here in the face unlock, you can add multiple different people faces. So if you're sharing your device with many people, you can actually make sure that all the different faces can be set up over here. So if you add face data of that respective person, that person also can unlock this device with their face. So guys, the 18th important tips and tricks for your Xiaomi Mi 10i device is with respect to the locking of applications. In order to lock any application, just go to the security application, just scroll down over here. There is something called as app lock. As you can see, the app lock feature is present over here. You can see which are the applications that is present on your device, and you can lock any different application. So there is no restriction with respect to which application you can lock or which application you can't lock. So you can lock any app that is present on your device, and that particular app can be opened only with the help of your password or your face or your pattern only. So for example, I just locked the QuickBuzz application over here, and I have locked it over here. As you can see, I have locked. Either I have to show my face, or I have to use my fingerprint, or I have to use my pattern to unlock this application. So I'm using my fingerprint, and QuickBuzz application just got unlocked. Australia is already leading by 54 runs. So guys, the 19th important thing that you can do with your Xiaomi Mi 10i device is with respect to the notification light. So this device actually has a very cool notification light which helps you to identify that notification has arrived on your device. Just go to the settings over here, just go to additional settings. In the additional settings, there is notification light. As you can see, the notification light actually has two important options. Make sure that the notification light is on while charging, and you can just make sure the notification light blinks for new notification. If I want, I can enable or disable both of these options. The 20th important feature for the Xiaomi Mi 10i is with respect to the dual apps feature. So guys, as you can see, I've enabled the WhatsApp dual apps on the Xiaomi Mi 10i. Just go to the security app over here. There is something called as dual apps. Just go to the dual apps. You can just make sure that you enable dual apps for any particular application on your Xiaomi Mi 10i. There is no restrictions for as to which app can be made as dual apps and which app cannot be. For example, if you are having two different Ola accounts, you can sign into one Ola account on one app and another Ola account on another app. So guys, the next important tips and tricks for your Xiaomi Mi 10i device is with respect to the gesture. As you can see, I'm using gestures on my device, right? For the back gesture, for the home gesture, everything I'm using gestures. I'm not using buttons. So in order to enable that, just go to the settings over here, and when you go to display, scroll down and you can find something called as full screen display. Just go to the full screen display over there. Here in the full screen display, you can enable the buttons or you can enable the full screen gestures. As you can see, full screen gestures has been enabled. It is actually pretty simple. Just go like this and you will go to home. Just swipe from the right or swipe from the left, you can go back. And when you long press and leave your finger in the middle of the screen, you can go to the recent tabs. So guys, these are the different important tips and tricks for your Xiaomi Mi 10i device. So if you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel immediately, because I'm bringing a lot of videos on the Xiaomi Mi 10i device and also multiple number of devices in the future. So thank you for watching, guys.